This is part 2 to the ball cap method, and I have a wig that I've been waiting for, and I finally got it. So this is from Unice. Don't mind the on it. Inside of it, I got a care package. I think this is so cute though. They gave me a bunch of stuff, and yeah. So they gave me another melter, and it's cheetah print, popping. And then they gave me, I think this is a makeup brush. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. It's a makeup brush. Let's look at it. I think it's a makeup brush. I'm not sure. Is it? Yep. Oh. Okay. All right. I see what y'all doing. That was actually nice because this is my first time receiving something like this. And I got me some mink lashes. So yeah, I like these. They're cute. And the last thing they gave me, I know, because I need another one. I have a long one for my braids, and I have a pink one, but it's like a little loose. So this gotta be a bonnet. It gotta be. Let's see. Yes, a bonnet. But this feels a little loose. Oh no, they got a little stretch, but they gave me a bonnet. Thanks, Unice. So that's the little stuff that it came with. Now let's get into the wig. The wig is 18 inches and is a deep wig. And it's not a 13x4. I forgot what it's really called, but it only stops right here. The only reason why I did the ball cap method like this is because a lot of people want to use like frontal wigs. I typically use frontal wigs and other types of wigs, you know, glueless wigs, and also wigs that come with just the net being right here. As you can see, there's net right here, there's net back here, there's a comb, and then there's 2 combs on the side to put into your scalp. So being that I have this down, I'm not gonna put it in, or should I? Yeah, we might do that. But this is the wig, and I got a color that's like fall. I think this is 350. It's the fall color. It's really cute, and it was body wave, but I washed it, and this is the thickness of it, and it's still soft. I don't have no shedding. I haven't brushed it fully yet because it's still wet, and I'm still blow drying it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish blow drying it. I'm gonna come back, and then I'm going to install it. I didn't do the whole install that day, like, cause I'm like, I want to curl it because I like the wet wavy look, but I really wanted to curl it. So I already did like the foundation for it, and right now you see me just cleaning off the excess makeup. You know what I normally do, and we're about to put the wig on because yeah. So I'm deciding this time to use my bowl hold. I don't normally use it. I normally use Got to Be, but I really want this to stick. So yeah, we're gonna put this here, a little bit on the cap, around. Like that. Like that. The wig so far, because I initially wore it after that, but I just didn't finish the install like on camera because I knew I wanted to do it a different way. I think I'm going to start using my mic because I have a microphone and I think I'll sound a lot more clear with the microphone while I'm doing my videos. So I don't have to put too much like layers on because I feel like I put a big huge amount already. So that's how we're gonna do it. And of course you just blow dry. And to me, I think you should put it on cool because for the simple fact that I feel like the heat, it keeps it like melty type, and the cool makes it like tacky. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it on cool instead of hot. Okay, so this is the wig. I done already styled it, I curled it. I won't be doing that again because I stuck the wig pin in it wrong, and it kind of messed it up. It messed up my lace in the front of the wig. I don't like that it did that. So next time I'm gonna definitely be a little more careful with how I do things with these wig pins because they just get stuck sometimes on the hair. So as you can see it's getting stuck. Ugh. I done already curled it and I got it ready. So we're about to put it on and see how it's like perfect. We're about to put this on. Like so. Yep, that's perfect. And it has the combs on the side. So you just stick the combs in your braids like this. Latch it on there. Latch it on there. Period. Make sure the part is straight too. There we go. Because, woo, I would have been pissed. So. Okay. And it's been cold up here, and a lot of people have been wearing like hoodies and things like that as if they can't get sick. And then when you go outside and you're wearing your hoodies and stuff, people are looking at you like you're crazy. Like, y'all better start dressing for the weather. When it's freezing, throw on a jacket. I know you want to look cute or whatever outside, but throw on a coat and wear your mask. I don't care what nobody say. I'm still wearing my mask. Like, I just can't see myself not wearing that mask. Yeah, people be sneezing, coughing. They just be not caring. So, no. I need my mask. So there we go. Now it's laying down. First it was giving me a hard time. Then you want to fight the wig, right? So I have this little thing on my hair, on my wig, and it's right here. I'm gonna cut that little piece off. Cause it's not holding nothing. It's honestly just in the way. There we go. And being that it needs some more glue, we gonna just add some glue right there. Just add more glue right here. Just like this. And I'll still be using my Got to Be glue spray. Cause I don't be super, I be wanting to have like an extra little oomph. Like, there we go. See, I knew that little piece had to come off. That little piece we just cut off, I knew it had to come off. It was in the way that whole time. I hit my arm. I'm gonna lift this up like this because it needs to be some glue right here. And then we gonna dry that. And then we gonna lay it down like so. Okay, now that I'm done doing all this, I'm gonna come back with the final hoorah. So I'll be right back.